If you think Africa needs your charity, this video will change your mind. This is the Africa they don't show you on TV. Welcome to Guzape, Abuja, Nigeria's answer to Beverly Hills. Let's take a walk. Abuja has so many rich people that they ran out of space to build mansions in the city center and have begun expanding outside city limits. Guzape is one of these new money neighborhoods. As you can see, there is a lot of construction going on here. People like the area because it has 24/7 electricity and all the other amenities you would expect in a first world country. This building you see in front of me is an excellent example of Nigeria's unique architectural style. People in the country tend to favor very boxy and distinctive designs, which gives places like Guzape a surreal and almost dreamlike atmosphere. A home like this costs around $5 million and will have over 10 bedrooms with multiple living rooms and kitchens. It will also have underground servants' quarters, which can add an additional 5 rooms to the total. A plot of land here should be around $200,000 or more, and plenty of land is available, so this is a good place for investors, but you will need to have deep pockets. Renting one of these mansions is around $50,000 per year on the low end, which is just over $4,000 per month. That's reasonable considering how much space you are getting. But in Nigeria, people pay rent for a full year up front, and often the owners of these homes are so rich that they don't even bother putting them on the rental market, so they sit empty. Maybe they'll be used like a few times a year. This building has granite cladding on the exterior, another example of Nigeria's unique architecture. If you look here, they've actually carved out part of the hill to build more houses and hotels. So there's massive demand for housing in these areas. You can see more high density development, but there is a lack of mixed use development, so you don't really see any commercial buildings. which is unfortunate because I'm really thirsty right now. And I would like a soda. What really stands out about Guzape are the high-density buildings. With some exceptions like Senegal and Cape Verde, high-rise apartments are not common in West Africa. The concentration of apartments here indicates a huge demand for land, and it also suggests that Nigeria is modernizing. Guzape is poised to become one of the most modern neighborhoods in Nigeria, if not the West Africa region. Unfortunately, there's no commercial or mixed-use buildings here, which I think is very inconvenient, and I hope they do something about that. Take a look at these apartments, they look so dreamlike. Even though all the buildings were built by different developers, they seem to match so nicely because of the pastel colors and similar boxy architecture. Many of the construction workers live with their families on site. Look how modern this place looks. This truly is the Africa they don't show you on TV. And as you can see, it's been going on like this for miles. This plot here is for sale. So, if you want to build yourself a little apartment complex, you know who to call. It looks like some of the construction workers have set up a little store here. Now I can find a nice cold drink. Thanks for watching. If you want more information about living and traveling in Africa, be sure to subscribe to my channel.
No be everything when we take carry from here, we pay your money.